Okay, so I just filmed my little radishes, which, look at them. They're so cute. And none of these have germinated yet. However, I'm kind of seeing one that looks like it might be pushing up on the soil, so I wanted to film to see if I could film the first one of this batch. Now, these are the first seeds I've ever tried to grow. That one's 10 out of 12 so far. This is 12, 3 of each: Brussels sprouts, dwarf blue kale, Pak Choi, and spinach. And the radishes were supposed to germinate first. They had a germination of 4 to 10 days was the average, and I had about 4, I think 2 to 4 pop up in 2 days. Now, I have been using the grow light this whole time, and as you can see, there's the ones that are closest to the direct glow light, which were sprouted up first and got the longest so far. Now, it does seem to be helping all of them, all the little seeds, but the ones that are directly under the light. And I've been keeping the radishes in the back half of the center thing. This is exactly in the center. And this one that I'm getting ready to show you here has been on the other side of the center there. So now I would have expected, hello Cassie, I would have expected ones on this end to start sprouting first, considering the ones closest to the middle sprouted that. But it looks like, if I'm correct, looks like this one is poking out the soil there a little bit. Now this is a spinach, which spinach and blue kale is the next quickest germination rates of these 4. Pak Choi being the least. Pak Choi I'm not expecting to see for quite a while, but let's see if we got something here. Oh, look at that little guy. He sure is. He sure is. I don't want to disturb him too much, just get the extra dirt off of him there. And you can see him starting to come up. So, I didn't even see that. Oh my goodness. So I've got 1 kale showing up on its own, which I just now saw, and 1 spinach. So what's interesting is that the kale popped up right where I expected it would, on that center line. Expected this row to be the first to pop up since it was closest to the grow light. And, well, one of them did. But we also have 1 little spinach up here. So, I'm going to give them a little spray. They're still a little moist from yesterday, so I don't want to do too much. That one doesn't look like it needs it, though. So, well, it's exactly as planned. Blue kale and spinach. Alright, I'm excited to see how this will turn out.